Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. This video is going to guide you through the process of installing and setting up your CRM application. Before using the CRM system, there are a few steps which need to be completed to ensure your databases and Excel workbook are configured correctly. Firstly, we need to download the CRM application, which can be found in the Sosius App Store. Select the Get More Apps button at the top right of any page and you will be directed to the Sosius App Store. From the App Store, you can find an application under the type or industry categories, or you can search for an application using the search bar. The CRM application can be found under the Most Popular Workspace Solutions heading. Select the Install button and give your CRM system an appropriate name. You also need to choose the location within your workspace where the application will be saved. Then select the Install button and your new CRM system will be created. The CRM application has now been installed. Within it you will also find a PDF version of this installation guide. We can now set up notifications to notify members of the accounts team when an opportunity is added to the One Opportunities database. Notifications require members to have the relevant sharing permissions on the CRM system. Information on sharing items can be found in the Sosius Help Center. From your One Opportunities database, select Notify Me on Changes from your Workspace toolbar, or open the Item Settings drop-down and select Set Up Notifications. Using the Find button, select the group or member you wish to notify when a new opportunity has been moved, and select the Create and Edit Notification actions. Make sure to select the Cascade option to receive sequential updates on individual entries made to the CRM system. Then select the Set Notifications button. Your selected group or members will now be notified when an opportunity has been moved into the One Opportunities database. Now we have configured the CRM system to notify members when an item has been moved, we can begin dynamically linking the CRM application to our Excel workbook to remotely report on the data collected. Firstly, we need to create a direct access link to our databases. Select the Accounts database and click Share from the Workspace toolbar. Then select the Direct Access option. We need to take note of the database's share ID, which is displayed at the end of the Direct Access link. Highlight the share ID and copy it from your browser. Then select the Share option to create your Direct Access link. Now a direct access link has been created, we need to export this database by selecting Export from the Workspace toolbar. Set the export format to HTML and make sure the Include Metadata option has been checked. Then click Export to export your database. Your browser search bar will then contain the link to this database. We need to paste in the share ID we copied earlier after the share ID equals. Then copy the entire link to the HTML version of your database. We can now dynamically link the accounts database to the Excel workbook. Open the sales report from the CRM homepage and download it to your computer using the download link. Open up the sales report and click on the Data tab from the toolbar. Click Connections and double-click on Accounts. Select the Definitions tab and Edit Query. Paste in the URL to the Accounts database into the address bar and click Go. Using the arrows, select the range of data you wish to include. After clicking Import, your database will be dynamically linked to your Excel workbook. Repeat this process for the 5 remaining databases in your CRM system. After dynamically linking all 6 of our databases, the data within the workbook is then converted into graphs to create a simple to read visual representation of all the data in our CRM system. To update the graphs within the dashboard spreadsheet of our sales report, we need to make sure the workbook is updated with any new information stored in the CRM system. Under the Data tab, select the Data Refresh button, and any new entries made in the CRM system will be remotely imported. The tables within the sales report can then be updated. Open the All Opportunities spreadsheet and select the Refresh button at the top of the page. Reopen the dashboard spreadsheet and once again click the Data Refresh button. Your graphs will now be updated to reflect the data collected from the CRM system. The CRM setup is now complete, and the sales report can be used to remotely report on the data you have collected. We hope you have found this information useful. If you would like to learn more about the capabilities of Sosius, please visit www.sosius.com.